In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change staff details on Square appointments. Managing a business means ensuring all your details are up to date, especially when it comes to appointments and staff management. Today we dive into how you can easily update staff information on Square appointments. Whether it's a name change, email update, or editing personal information, following these steps will ensure your business keeps running smoothly. First things first, head over to the official Square website. Upon arrival, your eyes will instantly catch the Sign In button. Click on that to proceed. This action will lead you to a sign-in page where you're required to enter your email address. Make sure you enter the correct email associated with your Square account. After that, it's time to type in your password. Remember, the key here is accuracy to prevent any login hiccups. Once your credentials are all set, click on the Sign In button to access your Square dashboard. This dashboard is essentially the command center of all your Square activities. Now, you're in the main area where all the magic happens. Look for the staff and payroll option. This is where Square houses all the links to managing your team's information. Clicking here leads you to another crucial area, specifically designed for team management, aptly named Team. Under the Team section, you'll see a list of your staff members. Your task is to locate the staff member whose information needs updating. Once you find the staff member in question, you'll notice three dots, often referred to as the More icon, next to their name. Click on these dots to unveil additional options. Among these options, you'll find the Edit Personal Information button. This is where you can update your staff members' details. Click on it to proceed. Now you're at the heart of the process. Here you'll have the freedom to update the preferred name, last name, and email of your staff member. It's crucial at this point to double check the information you enter to avoid any future discrepancies. For the preferred name and last name fields, it might be a straightforward change if your staff member has had a legal name change or simply prefers to be addressed by a different name. This personalization can make a big difference in how they present themselves to clients. When you get to updating the email, remember this will be the main line of communication for your staff member within the Square ecosystem. Ensure that it's an email accessed frequently by the staff in question, to keep them in the loop of appointments and updates. After you've made the necessary changes, it's time to seal the deal. Find the Save button to officially update your staff members' information. Clicking Save finalizes everything, ensuring your staff's profile reflects the new updates immediately. Here's a tip. Always communicate with your staff members before making changes to their personal information. This ensures they are aware of the updates and can verify the accuracy of the new details. And that's it. You now know how to update staff details on Square appointments, ensuring your business information is accurate and up to date. This simple yet effective process ensures your team's details are always current, which is vital for seamless operations and customer satisfaction. Remember, maintaining up-to-date records contributes significantly to the efficiency of your scheduling and overall business management. So take a moment to review your staff's details regularly and update as needed. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful videos on managing your business with Square.